Hi friends, this video we are going to see how to convert PDF to Excel with the help of online. It will be 100% free website. You can convert all PDF into Excel format. Okay, that is what we are going to see over here. And whoever will be a new user, please you can subscribe this channel and you keep on watching, as well as you can comment below after complete this video it is useful or not. Okay, let me go inside. Hi, this is what the PDF file which we are having. Okay, this file only we need to convert for Excel because PDF conversion into Excel format. There are many ways will be available, but from here I will tell you in a easy way. Okay, so right now we are going to convert into Excel. How we can do it? Let me see. You can go this website. Okay, pdf2go.com. Okay, this website link I will give in the description. Just you can click and go over there and choose a file, and where you have saved for your file for the respective destination, just you can open it. That file I have opened, and over here just you can come down. It's available. Once you are looking over here, it is available convert PDF file to MS Excel. Okay, over here for the PDF you can change into Excel format, and scan pages will be images. That also it is possible. So we are going to convert into an Excel. Just you have to click a start. Now it is starting to convert for the Excel format. That is what we are looking over here. It's processing. Once processed, we can download. Okay, it will take only for a fraction of second only, converting PDF into Excel. Right now it has been converted. We need to download. See, automatically it has been downloaded at the bottom. Okay, just you can click and open. Once you are giving for convert, automatically it will convert. Now we are opening. Because the exact format we will not get, just we have to do some alignments. Okay, because we are using see here we found a problem, some content in book 1. Do you want us to try recover as much as we can? Yeah, we are giving to yes. Yeah, as much as they can recover it. Okay, once looking here, see the format is coming this way. Just we have to do some changes. The first one you can delete it. Okay, and over here also you can delete, and you can maximize the row. You have to go for home and format row height, you have to change it as 30, and for the column height same format you can go, and column width just you can change it as 5, and letter sizes you have to change it. Already it is available for 1.5. Just for the visible content we need to change it. So we are changing and maximizing this thing, and just you can delete this image. Okay, see here, now you got it, which is available in the PDF converted into Excel format. This is a way, in a easy step you have to do it for the conversion PDF to Excel. Okay, and I think this will be useful for everyone. If it is useful, you can share to your friends, as well as you can give a thumbs up, as well as you can subscribe my channel for getting continuous videos. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.